Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got a movie-based casting. Well, actually, this casting never featured in the movie. It's a concept which Hot Wheels made. If the movie is made in future, what the car should look like. So, Knight Rider, they had the original kit car, a K.I.T.T car. I haven't seen the movie, so I don't have that much of reference. But they had an original car, and this is what Hot Wheels thinks would look like if this movie is made in the future or now. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Hot Wheels kit concept. This is not a new casting, it's from 2021, but they released it this year, and I think they got those new wheels on this one, which actually looks good. Now, gonna start from the front. So in the front, I don't know if it's the headlamp or might be headlamp. So Hot Wheels trying to depict a big LED bar, which in the movie tells red. You do get this K.I.T.T written on the hood. You do have this lower splitter, and you do get this wedge shaped, which is more like older, not even more of the Lambos. Kind of looks like a Batmobile from some angles to me. Let's move to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, you get this big cockpit, all glass, and it looks like it's all one piece, and I am assuming it might just the entire cockpit opens up. Different size wheels, but they look good here. These are new wheels, so these were not used on, I think, the earlier release. You do get the body kit, which continues on the side. Interior, as you can see, is finished in red. It has 2 seats. It does have a conventional steering wheel, which I'm surprised. Coming to the rear, again, nice details. You do get this big red bar going on, and the smaller red bar there looks like a diffuser in the back, and this might be the main tail lamp, and this could be the stop lamp. You do also have a spoiler in the back, which again looks good. So good details in the back. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. So I don't know what kind of fuel it runs on. Might be something different. So no petrol or charge photos here, and this is how it looks from the top. So you do get some, I think, vents or ridges here, which is again kind of classic actually. Older Lambos used to have those. So overall, well, I do remember they had an older car from the same movie, so I don't know if I have that. If you do, this should go well with this car, and if you're the fan of the movie, I think you might like this one. It actually is nicely chill for a mainline. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.